Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the 365 days of Forex so far, and if you are, let us know in the comments as we actually love hearing from you guys. Today's video is going to be a bit shorter than normal, as it's just going to give you a whistle-stop tour of the different trading sessions that you can trade. So without further ado guys, let's get into today's video. First and foremost, we need to look at which trading sessions there actually are. Within the financial markets, there are three primary trading sessions which you've probably heard about. The US session, which is active between 1 PM and 10 PM UK time, the Asian session, which is active between midnight and 9 AM, and the European session, which is active between 8 AM and 5 PM. There are of course lots of smaller sessions within these three umbrella sessions, however you can look at those in your own time if you want to find out more. Let's now take a look at each of the trading sessions in greater detail. The New York Stock Exchange, often referred to as the NYSE, is one of the largest stock exchanges in the world and is a public entity. As of 2019, the NYSE has normal trading hours of 9:30 AM to 4 PM New York time. The only time that these markets close early is due to holidays or for emergencies. The Nasdaq is an American stock exchange that serves as a global electronic marketplace for securities trading. The normal trading hours for this session are between 9:30 AM and 4 PM as well, New York time. Canada's Toronto Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 AM to 4 PM local time. The Shanghai Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 AM and closes at 3 PM local time with a lunch break between 11:30 AM and 1 PM. The Tokyo Stock Exchange opens at 9 AM and closes at 3 PM local time with a lunch break from 11:30 AM to 12:30. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 AM and closes at 4:30 PM local time and doesn't have a lunch break. The London Stock Exchange, which is often referred to as the LSE, opens at 8 AM and closes at 4:30 PM and also doesn't have a lunch break. The Euronext Stock Exchange in Paris and the Swiss Exchange both open and close at the same time as the LSE. As some of the more eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed, there is actually an overlap between some of these trading sessions. This means that certain times of the day, more than one trading session will be in full swing, and this is important because during these times, liquidity will be at its highest, which probably means your spreads will be at the tightest, meaning they will be the smallest. Talking of spreads, let's now look at the number one reason that your trade hits stop loss every single night at around 10 PM GMT time. At 10 PM UK time, it's common to see spreads widen when the majority of ECM brokers and liquidity providers stop their operation. This is then restarted at around 10:30 PM. The lack of liquidity during these times causes spreads to widen, so you definitely need to be aware that slippage is likely to occur during this period. For those that don't know, slippage is when your order is not executed at the price that you want it to. It's often advisable to monitor your positions and your broker's spreads during the changeover time to ensure that you don't get taken out of your position prematurely. So guys, there we have it. A fast whistle-stop tour with some of the gems of knowledge for you at the end. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into brokers so that you don't get burnt when you decide to open your first live account. Cheers guys, and I will see you in the next one.